Dear students, good morning to all of you. This is the program uh, which is generating a series of the natural numbers. Numbers, natural number series it is generating here. Natural number, all of you know the number which is starting uh, from one and without any gap, without any skipping. All the numbers are coming in the sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a program to print the series of the natural numbers. Okay. So this is the name of the class natural. Public void main. This is the method name. This is for loop. For int x equal to 1, x less than equal to 10, x plus plus. So this part x equal to 10 is known as the initial value. This is initialization or initial value. So initial value is read only once. At the time of the execution of this for loop, the control will reach to this part only first time. Okay, and this is known as the this one is known as the test condition. So this part of the for loop checks the condition before entering in the loop body. So the loop body of this program is this, means this for loop is this loop body. So loop body starts from a bracket and it is closed with a curly bracket. Okay, so inside of that whatever we are writing are known as the statements of the loop body. Okay, and this part, this third part, this is known as the updation. Okay, the use of this one is whenever your control will come back from this line to the for loop, so the control will reach to the updation expression. That is the third one, and the value of x will be updated here. Like that, before entering in this loop body, every time the control will check a condition whether the condition is true or not. If the condition will be true, your control will come inside of this loop body, otherwise your control will be skipped outside of this block. This is the way how the for loop is working in the Java programming, right? So here the next question is you program to generate a series of even numbers from 2 to 20 using for loop. Okay, even numbers, you know that it is starting from 2 and there is a gap of 2 in every number. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then plus 2 equal to 6. Like that this term will run up to 20. So the output you will get on the screen 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. After 20 the series will be finished because here is a limit from 2 to 20. So such type of the programs are asked in the examination. Sometimes of the program you will see in the use of such type of the program you will see inside of any big program also coming. So this is class even public void main, public void main. This is int x equal to 2. This is initial value. Okay, the value of x is 2 first time. The control will read the lines from upside and it will reach to the for loop. So the first of all the value of x will be 2. Then it will check the condition whether the value of x is less than 20 or not, or equal to 20 or not. Okay, and whenever this condition is satisfied, your control will come inside of this loop body and the statements will be printed. After printing this line, again your control will go to the back to the for loop and it will reach to the updation expression. So the value of x will be updated here. Again it will check the condition. If the condition becomes true, so what happened? Again it will, what will happen? Again the loop body will be executed. After this, again your control will go back. So this is the part x plus equal to 2. For the updation, your control will come again and again. Once a condition is false, so your control will jump outside of this body of loop and this loop will be finished. Okay, so this is the body of the loop. Okay, your whenever suppose this condition x less than equal to 20, suppose the value of x is 22, now this condition is false. So what will happen, your loop or your control will not enter inside of this loop body, but it will jump outside of this loop body and it will reach here. And as soon as your control reach to the method closer, your method will be closed and the next line execution your class will be closed. So thus your program will be finished. So this is the way how this type of the looping statements are working inside of the Java program. This loop is known as the entry control loop, because before entering in the loop body, your control is checking a condition. Okay, so dears, I hope you got. You can see here, this is natural. Okay, class natural static void main for int x equal to n less than equal x plus plus system out println. And now we'll see the output. Compile, then close, then this is right button void main. So this is the output. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 you are getting on the screen, right? Question number 2, suppose this is odd one, yeah, or that is even. So here just you change class natural, we will write here even, class even. Here int x equal to 2, just I am making a change here, x equal to 2, x less than equal to 10, x plus equal to 2. So this is less than 20, less than equal to 20. System out println x. Compile, close. So even will be executed void main. Now you see the output has been changed. Earlier it was 1 2 3 4 5, but now it is 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, like that you can see here, this is 2 4 6 8 10 12 up to 20 you are getting on the screen. So my dear students, this is the way how this for loop is working. For loop is very important statement, very important function in the Java programming, which is very much useful in the programs. Okay, so you want to print odd number up to 20. Now you see x equal to 1. Now 1, next time it will be plus 2 equal to 3, then 5, then like that you are getting odd number between 1 to 20. This is close, right button void main. Now you see you are getting on the screen 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19. So dear students, it needs more practice. Just you are watching the video, after that you are not opening your copy and you are not taking the pen to write, so you will not understand. Okay, we are only guides, we will guide you that, but the work you have to do. So after that, just you take watching the video or reading the PDF etc., just to take your copy and pencil, copy or pen, copy and pen, just you try to write this program, just to try yourself. You don't be depend only on these videos. Okay, you practice and you will get succeed, right? So dear students, I hope that you got it. And if you have any problem, any uh, doubt in any line in this program, so you are welcome, you don't hesitate to ask. We are here to help you. Okay, so uh, so thank you very much.